Jai Hind everyone, I am Kalpesh from grade 7. Today I am going to present a paragraph on the project CBSE veer gatha. It is about the biography of the Gallantry Award winners. Let me tell you that there are three major Gallantry Awards named as Veer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Paramvir Chakra. There are more three Gallantry Awards named as Ashoka Chakra Class 1, Class 2 and Class 3. Chakra Class 1 is named as Ashoka Chakra. Ashoka Chakra Class 2 named as Kirti Chakra. Ashoka Chakra Class 3 as Shaurya Chakra. Now, I will tell you about one Ashoka Chakra winner. NSG Commando means National Security Guard Commander, who was in the operations of Operation Vijay, Operation Rakshak, Operation Parakram, Operation Black Tornado, and counter-insurgency. Now I will tell you about him. His name is Major Sandeep Krishnan, who was born on 15 March 1977 in Kozhikode, Kerala. He was in the biggest terrorist attack, Taj Hotel, Mumbai. He saved successfully 14 hostages. When he was in this attack, his teammate got seriously injured. Then he saved him and he accurately fired on the enemy, although he was shot on his hand. Then at last, when he killed all the terrorists, he got martyred. His motivational words were, I don't want an ordinary death. When I will go, the whole nation will remember me. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.